Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into the world of social engineering and taking a closer look at the Social-Engineer Toolkit or SET. This powerful tool is often used by both ethical hackers and malicious threat actors. So in this video I will show you how SET can be used to create a fake Google login page and generate a malicious link designed to steal usernames and passwords. But remember, this is for educational purposes only, so you can better understand how these attacks work and how to protect yourself. Before we start, I would like to explain to you what SET is. SET, or Social-Engineer Toolkit, is an open source penetration testing framework designed specifically for social engineering attacks. It is a very powerful tool used by cybersecurity professionals to simulate various social engineering attacks in order to test the security posture of an organization. So some key features of SET are phishing attacks, spear phishing attack vectors, credential harvesting, this is the one that we are going to do now, payload delivery, website attack vectors, wireless access point attack, and much more. So let's start. So as you can see, this is a SET open source penetration framework, and today we are going to do social engineering attack. That's number one, so we will select number one, and then we are going to do website attack vectors. That's number two, and then as I mentioned, we are going to do credential harvest attack method. So credential harvesting means like you can use this tool to create clone sites to capture credentials from unsuspecting users. So those clone sites look identical to the real ones, basically tricking users into entering their login information like username and password. So let's do number three, and then we will create a Google page. So we are going to do number one, web templates, and then we are going to do number two, which is Google page, and we are ready. So now I'm going to open my email, and as you can see, I just created this phishing email. So the subject line says important account verification required. Dear Mr. Smith, we have detected unusual activity on your Google account. To ensure your account security, we require you to verify your information. Please click the link below to proceed. So this is the malicious link, so I created this link, and later on I will show you how to create this link. So we can click on this link, and here we go. So the link took us to Google fake page, and here I will just type in something. Thank you for @gmail.com. That this is my username, and password can be let's do for stealing my info. Sign in. So nothing happened. Now we will go back to SET, and as you can see, the tool had captured username and password. So it says possible username field found. Thank you for @gmail.com. Password for stealing my info. So that's it. That's how they do. I mean, there are a lot of those similar tools like SET, but most of those tools they work the same way. And now I'm just going to show you how to create a malicious link. Okay, so very simple. So we can go here and type hyperlink, but before we do this, so I'm using this site called Bitely, if I pronounce correct. So you can sign up for this website, and basically you can create the link here. Let's say we can do HTTPS, and then we can type in IP address, and we can do Google login, and create the link. Okay, we got the link. Now we can go back here, paste the link, and we can type here verify your account. And that's it. This is the way to create malicious link. So this method is a basic way to create a malicious link. But to bypass detection by scanning tools, we can take a more sophisticated approach by using URL encoding. So URL encoding changes some characters in a web address into code, making the address harder to read or understand. For example, we can use American Standard Code for information interchange in order to make the URL harder to read. So yeah, this will be all for today. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.